flood control issue. Nakikita po ang visit ninyo sa Naga City in the lens of politics. Are you open to forging alliance with Naga City?
Alam mo, hindi namin pinag-uusapan yun. Alam mo, I think the mayor will agree with me na serbisyo muna bago politika. The most political thing that we did today, I wore my pink socks. My pink socks in honor of Mayor Lenny.
President, sabi po kasi na
No, we have been planning this for a few months already. Because talagang naging critical ito especially with the storms that came in. Then I already instructed Sec Vince and Sec Ping to look at the situation here. Because, you know, we know that Bicol is always the pathway of the storms, but the problem, the immediate problem that we saw, the change in pattern that we saw, is yung bigat ng bagsak ng ulan. Dati hindi naman ganun karami. You got 700 in one day, 700 centimeters of rain in one day. Ano yung katumbas ng 6 na buwan yun?
Pas po siya sa Ondoy and Yolanda.
Yeah, that's very significant, and that's why it became critical. So we did not discuss. Serbisyo muna bago politika. Marami pang kailangan gawin. Marami pa kaming kailangan gawin. So we will get to that. Aabot din tayo doon.
Ano po yung natatakbo siya sa pagkapangulo sa 2021?
Again, politics.
Ano pong masasabi niyo dun sa alliance?
Nothing really. That's her choice.
Mr. President, how about the willingness of Senator Amy to run alongside?
Again, this is all politics. We're not going to discuss politics now. We are talking. What we are here for is to try and find solutions to this very important problem, very critical problem that we have not only here in Naga City but also in Kamsur, and for that matter, for the whole of Bicol. That's what we are concentrating on.
Can we expect collaboration in the future after this visit kahit hindi politics?
We don't change. Whatever kung sinong, it's not only here, kung sino ang nangangailangan ng tulong, the national government is here to help. So as you know, I came from local government, kaya I have great sympathy for the situations of local government, the different constituencies, the cities, the provinces, the towns, the municipalities. Kaya whoever comes to us for help, we will do what we can to help. There is not an increase, there is not a decrease, it's not political, it's only because it depends on the need. And that's why we are here today. All right? Sige.